My name is Hildan Muhladin. I'm 19 years old and I am from the province of 1000 Santri, Banten. Merdeka Belajar is a new policy program of the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic Indonesia, created by Nadiem Anwar Makariem. There are some new policy in field learning. The national examination will be replaced in the form of a minimum competency assessment and character survey. I totally agree with that, because in this era 4.0, it's not what we memorize, but how we do it. Indonesian youth must be equipped with visionary character, education, so they can compete in ASEAN stage. Youth is the hope of the nation. Going back and forth of the nation determined by its youth. Because Soekarno said, "Give me 10 youths, then I will shake the world." I am Hildan Muhladin. I aspire to inspire.